Sakimatravel.
Hi guys, I'm Jan. Welcome back to Sakima. We are the travel company and also the good consultant for your trip to Vietnam. In the previous video, we make about the spring roll and get a lot of positive feedback. Thank you so much for your support. And today, to continue with the series of food culture, we also make a special food like it can call like caramel pork and egg. So it's also the traditional food and very popular in holiday in Vietnam, especially it's a test holiday. And of course, we are not the master chef, so everything we do like the family style, local style. So if you guys like this video, please like, share and subscribe. It's a big motivation for us to do the next video. Thank you. Okay, now don't let you wait anymore. We will prepare the ingredients. So caramelized pork and egg. So of course pork and egg is the main ingredient. You can see here we have meat here. It's a duck egg, quail egg. It's a coconut. We will use the water of coconut to steal the meat. If you don't have coconut, just use the water. It's okay. And we have some chili, salt, garlic. Yeah. Okay, so now we move to cut the meat. Just cut like the cubic like this, and if you don't have time to cut it smaller. Okay, so now we move to rest the salad and garlic. And put some chili here. Press that. So I think now this is already, and just let it be, and we will put in the meat later. Okay, so now the meat already, and some spice sauce is also ready. But in the whole process, have one step I don't know is how to make the caramel sauce. So I need help from the Vietnamese woman. Wow. Bây giờ bà làm gì bà?
5 thìa đường.
5 thìa đường. Đấy rồi.
Bố bật lửa lên.
Lấy đi.
Lấy bữa ta quay đi. Cái đều gì theo đủ nước luôn là được luôn.
Check the sugar. Okay, em nước nữa. Miếng nữa. The simple ingredient is just the sugar and the water. So simple, but it's But it's not easy. More water. You know, with Vietnamese women for many years ago, they cook very well because they control everything very well in the family. They cook the meal, they take care of the children, do housework. They can control everything very well. So let's see the old generation like my mom or grandmother, they can cook and teach the next generation very good.
Put the water in. Chạy bẩn.
Oh, so now it's done. Dạ, dạ con cảm ơn bà.
Không có gì. Không có gì.
That's exactly the color I want. Yeah. It's black. Okay, so now I will put some spice in the meat. Is it the sugar? Roughness. Salt. Fish sauce. Pepper. And about the thing we rest before I will take the water in. Take the water because if you put on it in, it will make the water is not clear. And the caramel sauce we made before. I think it's okay. And mix them together. Okay, now just leave it for 1 hour. If you have time, just leave it around 3 hours. Okay. Okay, so when waiting is marinate, we move to boil the egg. Yeah. Okay, so now I will boil the egg. It's a duck egg, need more time to be ready, so I will put the duck egg first. Okay, just some minutes left. I will put the quail egg in. Okay, so now I will put the coconut water out here to prepare to cook this. Okay, so now I will move to cook the coconut water. While waiting cooking is, we'll move to fry the meat first. I put the oil. Just a little bit of oil. Put the meat. Fry the meat quickly like that will make the flavor can get inside the meat. Make the meat is better. The smell is better. Okay, so now I think the coconut is okay. It's boiling, and I will put the meat in. Sauce of the meat. Okay, it's time to put the egg in. 20 minutes left. Careful. Carefully. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now I think the mix is okay, it's ready. So I can check this. You can see here. You will use the chopstick and put like this. If the chopstick can go in, that time the meat I think is ready. Yeah, like this. Okay. Take it out. Okay, and this is the rice. We'll eat it with rice, and now we will invite this special guest to try it.
No.
It's a caramel pork and egg.
Caramelized pork
Yeah.
and eggs.
Yes.
What is the small egg?
Quail egg.
Quail, and
Yeah.
the big
Duck
one
egg.
is duck egg.
Yes.
Yes. And I have the rice here. So let's take some of the soup. tomato, cucumber,
Chơi được chú bóng mổ.
That's very good. So you will make this every Friday now or what?
No, it's just today.
Just today? What a shame. It took me some years to control the chopstick. A good advice for people that want to learn is to buy peanuts.
It took me some years to control the chopstick.
Or M&M's for the Friday night, and then sit and use the chopstick. That's good practice.